So my name is Mohammad Asfar, BA first year, roll number 19 PSB 050, enrollment number GJ 3738. Thematic cartography. Thematic is a Greek word which means particular pattern, shade, colors, visual, etc. And cartography is also a Greek word which means cartio means papers and graphic means rides. A thematic map is a type of map that portrays and the geographic patterns of a particular subject matters in a geographical area. And concept of thematic cartography. A thematic map is a map that encapsulates more than simply graphical relationship of location, but rather also themes, pattern, data relating of physical, social, medical, economical, and politicals of other except of region or location. And another topic is importance of thematic map. Thematic map can be used for explanation of data analyzing, conferring hypothesis, synthesis, spatial data by revealing patterns and relationship and the data representation. These map use selected graphic area for the basic data such as coastal boundaries and the place only as point of reference of the phenomena being spanned. And another topic is diametric data presentation. It is a technique of a presentation numeric data through pictography and cartograms, bar diagrams and pie diagram. It is the most attractive and the appliance ways of the representation statics data. And another topic is line graph. A line graph is a graphical display of the information that change continuously over the time. And another topic is simple line graph. A simple line graph is a kind of graph that is plotted with only a single line. And polograph is a line graph in which two or more than two variables are shown by the equal number of lines from an immediate combination. And combined line graph is a graph which combines the chart of the visualization that combine the feature of the bar and chart and the line chart. The combination chart display that the data using number of bars and the line each which represent a particular value. And another is band graph. It shows the trend of value both total and its part by the series of lines drawn on the same field. And another topic is cumulography. In cumulography are the graphics which are displaying climate information, especially average temperature and perception.